Hi everyone, it's Deb here with Dahlia Designs. I'm bringing you another little haul. It's from Hobby Lobby, and everything I got was either 50% off, already marked down, or the one thing I got that wasn't, I used a 40% off coupon, and that was this item, this Dymo label refill. I usually get the white paper. Mine has not been printing right, and it is a letter tag. I use it more in the paper side of my crafting, to label my folders that I keep my cardstock and designer series paper in. But I thought I'd try the clear plastic one, which doesn't have as much on it. It's 1/2 inch by 13 feet, and I think the white paper had more on it. But this was normally, oh, it's on the back. It was normally $8.99, which I thought was outrageous for one, but I got it for $5.39 at 40% off, which I still think is really high. I'm making a trip, I think, to Walmart today, if I can feel good enough to do that. I'm going to check out their prices there and see how they are. I might just get, I have some more white paper ones, but you know what? I got them on Amazon, and they're not the name brand, and they're not working right. They're like skipping letters and stuff. So I don't know whether it's my batteries in the thing or what. So anyway, the rest of the order is, well, I have one other thing that's not jewelry, and that is, I'm a planner girl too. I don't do planner videos and stuff much, except for on my Houck's Crafty Cottage channel. This year I've been part of a collab called Crafty Goals with Amalia, and you can go over and check that out if you want to. That, I think, is ending at the end of this year. Our last update on our goals is that first Saturday in January, which is the 2nd of January. So anyway, I was looking for a happy planner online, and you know, I couldn't find one that I liked. They were all like recipe or notebook ones or something. They weren't regular planners. So I found this one that was 50% off, so it was $7.50. And I decided this past year that I really like the horizontal design. Now the only thing is, I did open this yesterday, and the pages are thin, which it's okay. I can deal with that. But there's no tabs. I'm gonna have to create tabs because I like to be able to flip to, like, February starts here. I want to be able to flip to February, but I can handle that. I can make my own tabs. You know, I got enough little punches and other doodads that, and paper, and I can even laminate them now. So I'll make some tabs and put them in here. I don't know if I'll do it on the side or on the top yet, but that is my planner for 2021. I had an undated one. I actually have two. I have a mini happy planner undated, and I also have one from when Stampin' Up sold planners, that's undated, that I could use, but that's in a binder, and I've decided I like their papers. They're thicker, but and I like that they were vertical as well, which is how I learned that I like vertical. But I really hate sitting there putting numbers on everything. Yeah, and I goof it up once in a while, and then I have to fix it, and so I just decided I wanted a pre-dated calendar that I can just start off 2021. And also I decided I don't need, you know, 6 calendars. I am not that girl. One for everything. And I have, you know, 2 little businesses plus my personal stuff. I need to deal with it all in one planner and just color code them or something, because I can't be switching back and forth between too many planners. So that was my other thing that I got, that was not jewelry. And then I stocked up. They had their metal findings on sale. First of all, I got, I'm going out of order, these chain drop earrings. These were $2 a pair instead of $4. And I had an idea for these. They actually have a little ring on the bottom to attach stuff to, and there's, I think there's 3 or 4 or 5. There's 3 showing here, but I think there's one tucked in the back. I don't know. Anyway, they're post earrings. They're nickel free. It even tells you what the alloy, what the base material is, and it's zinc alloy, iron, stainless steel, and brass. Mostly iron with 5% stainless steel, 5% brass, and 5% zinc alloy. So I thought I'd give them a try. I got 2 pair, and $2 was okay with me to use for that. Let me move this out of the way. I see I'm a Stampin' Up. This has nothing to do with Stampin' Up, this video. I am a Stampin' Up demonstrator if anybody's interested. But then all their like metal gallery stuff was 50% off, so I ended up stocking up on bead caps and a few other things. And so bead caps, sorry, I have it all in a bag here. Bead caps, and these are the same. So I got 2 packs of these. These are 9mm, and I'm not going to take them out of the package. You can sort of see what they look like from there. But I got 2 packs of those because they'll work on, I think, 8mm and possibly 10mm beads. They end up being $2.50 a package instead of $6.49, and which is outrageous for 20 pieces. But $2.50 I can handle. But it's still 13 cents a bead cap, which is a little much, although these are pretty substantial. They're not like tiny little filigree things, so I don't think that's terribly bad. And then this one is 7mm, so it's smaller, and I don't know, there's the one, if you can see it, it's got like a it probably only fit a 6mm bead, 5 or 6mm. It's a 7mm. I might fit an 8mm. I'm not sure. I'll have to try it. But those ended up being $2.50, but you got 40 of them, so they're 6 cents a piece. I track everything by unit price, and I have an inventory system, so if you ever see this JDM on my videos, that's my inventory system number. And then this one pack of, these are antique brass 10mm. Now these are dainty little filigree. You can see it on that one floating around there on the top. There's 36 of them, but they're pretty well stacked together in there. It says there's 36 of them anyway. So yeah, these I think will definitely work with 10, 12, maybe even larger. And maybe even 8mm, I'd have to see. But they're 6 cents each also, $2 for 36. I'll only buy them when they're on sale at Hobby Lobby. Okay, now these ones are 8mm. These are antique copper. And you can get a good idea of what they look like there in that left-hand one. They're pretty nice, and they'll definitely fit an 8mm bead, maybe a 6, and possibly a 10. I'm not sure on that either. $2 for 25. I don't remember how much that came out to per. I forgot to write it on there. So then, sometimes when I'm buying online, I have trouble judging sizes of stuff. And so this next thing was from Jewelry Shop Findings. Look how big these are. They're 2.5 inches long by 2 inches wide, hammered teardrops in 2 pieces. And I think they had these under earring things. And again, the base material is 100% zinc alloy, nickel free. I will not use them for earrings. They're actually a little heavy together anyway, but I will possibly use them as a base for a pendant wrap of some kind. So that's actually why I think I got them, but when I saw them I was like, oh my goodness. But they're really pretty. They're, you know, they're a nice, when I hammer metal, let me tell you, it doesn't come out looking that pretty, which is a problem. Okay, then the next thing I got back to Metal Gallery are these, they call them floral tubes online. And by the way, this is their part number up in the corner here online. So you can actually just search on these part numbers if you like anything. So these are normally $5 each, $4.99. So I got them for $2.50. There's 18 a pack, so they're 14 cents each tube. These tubes are 5mm this way by 20mm this way, and I thought they'd be pretty on necklace or bracelet projects. So, and there's 18 pieces in each, and I got 2 packs. And then the next thing is also from Metal Gallery. Now they call these spacer beads, 15mm smooth spacer beads, I think is how they call them. I call them closed jump rings. In other words, they're soldered closed. So, and you can sort of see on some of them where the soldering is. But they're 10 cents a piece. And I got them to use as closed rings. I have some in gold in diamond shape or square shape that I used in my bargain bead box finished jewelry pieces on a couple of them. But I don't have very many silver ones, and these are pretty. They're nice, smooth, and they're like, I think they call them antique silver, but they're more bright silver to me. And here's the number on those if you're interested. Now the Metal Gallery I don't think is on sale right now, but some other stuff is, such as, now this was just a, I don't know, this was like a fluky purchase. These are acrylic, and I don't usually buy many acrylic beads, but I don't know, the seahorses and the seashells just spoke to me, and they're blue and green, which is another thing that spoke to me. So I got them. Now these have holes drilled through the top, so I guess I'm gonna, I actually bought them thinking purse charm kind of thing. So that'll work for a purse charm because I can just attach them with jump rings, and I won't be overly concerned if some of them fall off because they're acrylic, and they're now they don't tell you how many are in there. They're by gram. There's 30 grams in here. I have no idea how many are in a gram. Probably like 4 or 5 or 6. I'll have to do that later, but they're 10 cents a gram, so I figured that's pretty reasonable. Yeah, so I got them for, actually these were not on sale, but now they are. Now they're, I think, 50% off. So instead of $3, as of yesterday anyway, they're $1.50 on the web, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, bad me. And then I got some more, I wanted to get a different style of the earring backs, but I read a review on them and it said they turned yellow right away. So I went back to these little acrylic ones, but these are like half the size of the ones I have. These are called daisy shaped silica earring backs. And let me see if these were on sale or not. Yes, these were on sale for $2. I better write that one here. I don't put these in inventory because I consider these a supply item. Yeah, and I just put them on the backs of all my regular ear wires. And I'm running low because I've been making a lot of earrings lately, so yeah. And then lastly, I got 3 different tubes of Super Duos. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna miss, I don't need any Super Duos right now, but Super Duos are probably my favorite 2-hole bead of all time. And so they had these, I don't know, I think I was trying to get my cart up to a certain level so that I wouldn't have to pay shipping, which I didn't have to pay, yay. So all of this actually, oh, they don't even have the amount on here. I don't know what all of this was. I think it was right around $50 altogether. Maybe, I don't even know. Well, because this was $7.50 and this thing was $5 something on sale, so that's $12 something. These were $3 a tube. You get 24 grams. I don't remember how many's in a gram. Some websites tell you approximate number. They don't on Hobby Lobbies. I put little inventory stickers on them. But the colors here are chalk, lilac, luster, which is turns out more pink. It's a little bit darker pink than what's showing up on your screen. That looks very chalky there, but they're a little bit deeper color. I think the glare from the plastic is changing the color. It's still not gonna. Anyway, I thought it was really pretty. And these are just gorgeous. These actually are called Jet Metallic Suede Blue Super Duo, and this is Jet Metallic Suede Purple. And aren't they really pretty together? Ooh, blue and purple. I used to have a bowling ball years ago that was white with blue and purple swirls. Really pretty. This kind of reminded me of that. So I'm going to tape these little labels on that aren't sticking on the tubes very well and put them away. And that concludes my Hobby Lobby haul. So yeah, I have still like 4 or 5 beadbox bargains things I'm expecting. It's possible that one of them is out in my mailbox from yesterday because we didn't get the mail in yesterday. And yesterday was Wednesday. I'm losing track of time, guys. Yesterday was the 9th. I have an order coming from Shipwreck Beads, a small order. It says it's shipped, but when I go to check the tracking, it says it's shipped on the 7th. But the tracking is still saying that UPS doesn't have the package yet, so I don't know what's going on with that. And it took, I ordered it on like the 2nd or the 3rd. I think it was the 2nd actually, so it took a long time just to even get it out the door. But I'm not even sure it's out the door yet. So that's Shipwreck Beads. I have one from Auntie's Beads coming as well. And I think that's it then at the moment. So I guess I'll end the video here. I hope you enjoyed it. You know, I love bead caps, and it's honestly, it's hard to find bead caps that don't cost like an arm and a leg. I mean, they're pretty pricey, and you know, or you can get them in onesie twosies. I like to get them in 20 to 25 or 40 piece packs, so I have enough for a project. I can't order onesie twosie because I'm never quite sure how many exactly I'm going to need in a project. So unless I order 50 or 100 at a time, and then the price seems to be outrageous anyway. So I think I'm really happy with these, and I'll have to at some point go into a Hobby Lobby here, which is like 10 minutes from my house when there's not road construction like we have right now. And see what else they have, because it's hard to tell online, you know. Anyway, I ramble. All right, guys, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.